Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking to upgrade your streaming setup and get the most out of your TV, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best Amazon Fire TV sticks, carefully chosen for their performance, features, ease of use, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K 2023 2nd Gen. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K 2023 2nd Gen is one of the most powerful and versatile streaming devices available under $50. Specifically designed for 4K televisions, it delivers ultra-smooth playback, vivid detail, and striking color depth, all supported by Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos audio. Everything looks crisp and cinematic, with surround sound that fills the room. The addition of Wi-Fi 6 ensures a strong, consistent connection even when multiple devices are using the same network, perfect for modern households. One standout feature is the new AI-powered Fire TV Search, which lets you find movies and shows by actor, quote, or even storyline, saving time when browsing. For gamers, it supports Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, so you can stream console-quality games like Starfield or Forza Horizon directly, no console required. Number 2. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Next up, the Fire TV Stick 4K Max takes everything great about the standard 4K model and pushes it even further. This version features a faster processor and upgraded GPU, allowing for lightning-fast app launches, smoother animations, and near-instant switching between apps. It supports all major HDR formats, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG, along with Dolby Atmos for a truly cinematic soundstage. One of its most impressive additions is the Fire TV Ambient experience, which transforms your screen into an art display featuring over 2,000 pieces of curated photography and artwork. With 16 gigabytes of internal storage, double that of the standard Fire Stick, you can install more apps and games without worrying about space. Wi-Fi 6E support provides even stronger, lower latency streaming performance, especially useful in busy households. Number 3. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max Older Variant. If you're looking to save a little while still enjoying top-tier streaming performance, the previous generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max remains an excellent option. It's 40% more powerful than the original 4K stick, with quicker app loading, smoother interface transitions, and stunning visuals enhanced by Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos. Wi-Fi 6 ensures steady, buffer-free streaming even in multi-device homes, and the overall responsiveness still holds up impressively well in 2025. You get full access to the Fire TV ecosystem, which includes over 1 million movies and TV episodes, plus tons of free options through Pluto TV, Freevee, and other ad-supported services. The Alexa voice remote allows hands-free operation. You can control volume, switch inputs, or search by voice in seconds. It even works as a smart home hub, letting you view Ring doorbell feeds, check the weather, or dim lights without pausing your show. Number 4. Amazon Fire TV Stick HD. For those just getting started with smart streaming, the Amazon Fire TV Stick HD is the perfect entry-level pick. While it's optimized for 1080p TVs instead of 4K, it still offers crisp, detailed visuals and smooth navigation at an affordable price. It gives you instant access to over 1.8 million movies and TV episodes across top streaming platforms, plus millions of songs through services like Spotify and Amazon Music. You'll also find a huge catalog of free content from apps such as Pluto TV, Tubi, and Freevee, ideal for anyone wanting a budget-friendly streaming setup. The included Alexa voice remote adds convenience with simple voice commands. Just press and ask Alexa to find your favorite shows, control playback, or even manage smart home devices. It's also great for travel, dorm rooms, or secondary TVs, since it plugs easily into any HDMI port and sets up in minutes. Live TV integration through services like Sling TV, Hulu Live, and YouTube TV adds another layer of flexibility. Number 5. Amazon Fire TV Stick, refurbished or like new. Rounding out the list, the refurbished or like new Amazon Fire TV Stick is the perfect option for those seeking high performance at a lower cost. Each unit is thoroughly inspected, tested, and certified to meet the same standards as brand new devices, ensuring dependable operation right out of the box. Despite the reduced price, it still supports 4K Ultra HD streaming with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos for deep contrast, vibrant colors, and immersive sound. Wi-Fi 6 keeps streaming stable across multiple devices, and the Alexa voice remote makes finding content or controlling playback effortless. You'll have access to over 1.8 million movies and TV episodes from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more, along with a large selection of free programming through ad-supported platforms. Like the other Fire TV models, it also supports Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, letting users enjoy cloud gaming without owning a console. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Amazon Fire TV sticks. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more tech reviews and smart home recommendations. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one.